Afternoon to both of you. I'm glad you got that out there. Those bacteria, things you may have heard about. They're called Campylobacter, E. coli, Salmonella. They can really make you sick, especially with GI symptoms. The Northern Kentucky Health Departments I met up with today say, well, it is typical to see these go up this time of year. The numbers in our area right now nearly double what they were a year ago at this time. I met up with Dr. Kelly Giesenbrecht today at the Northern Kentucky Health Department in Boone County. She is an epidemiologist and a veterinarian who showed me how easy it is to come in contact with these bacteria. We found animals to feed and pet right in the parking lot. These bacteria come from live animals who have germs in their droppings on their feathers, feet, skin, and beaks. So something as simple as feeding the geese or other farm animals at festivals and fairs can transfer these germs or bacteria onto your hands. If you don't wash that bacteria off before you touch your face or eat, you transfer those into your own body, and that's likely why we are seeing this uptick in the spread of these intestinal illnesses.
Goats, cows, chickens, especially poultry, are commonly associated with a lot of these bacteria. And you should be able to enjoy seeing them, enjoy touching them if you can, and even fence posts and touching all the things around animals, barn walls, the posts that holds animals in, feeding troughs. They can also be infected. They can, because they get dirt on them. That's just in the world we live in. We have dirt, and dirt has bacteria. So just wash your hands after you've been in the animal barns.
Sounds so simple, doesn't it? Most of the time, if you get this bacteria into your body, you can fight it off. But if you cannot, you experience nausea, vomiting, severe diarrhea, dehydration. You should tell your doctor if you get these symptoms and they don't go away. And we're going to share more on what other infection control experts kind of want us to know. The really interesting thing to me was we all went in to wash our hands because I got the whole lesson. Yeah. And she said actually a paper towel is better than the air dryer because it's the last layer that takes the germs off. Oh. And when you stick them in, like especially those fast hand dryers, yeah. She said if you measure the walls around that, there's still germs on that. Isn't that interesting? Yes, I thought that was so interesting.
No, that's now irritating because so many of them have gone to these.
I know it's more environmentally friendly, but she was bringing up that point that each step in that process makes a difference in you getting sick. We'll see you back at 6.